Imagine 2050. Your grandson turns 18. You're gone, but your Silverado still running strong. And your grandkids, they're fighting over who gets the keys. Not all Silverados become family legends, but these three, they'll outlive you, outlive your kids, and make your grandkids the envy of their generation. Let's talk about legacy. Number 1. The GMT 800 with the 5.3. But here's the key. Manual transmission, two-wheel drive, regular cab. Why does this become a family treasure? It's simple. No AFM to fail, no four-wheel drive to break. Manual transmission lasts forever. This truck hits 500,000 miles, then keeps going. Your grandson won't need a mechanic. YouTube and basic tools, that's it. Cast iron block, bulletproof. 4-speed manual, can't kill it. If you kept it rust-free, it looks the same in 2050. This isn't a truck, it's a time capsule your family drives. Your grandson posts online, "My grandpa bought this new, still runs perfect, never selling." That is legacy. Number 2. The 2500 HD with the 6-liter Vortec. Crew cab, long bed, 4-wheel drive. The family workhorse that never quits. Why will your grandkids fight over this one? Because it built your family's life. It towed the boat every summer, hauled lumber for 3 generations, pulled trailers when everyone moved. Your kids learned to drive in this. Your grandkids will too. The 6-liter, over-engineered for fleets, built to last forever. I've seen 800,000 miles, original engine, original transmission. Your grandson inherits stories. Grandpa helped me move with this. This pulled our camper twice. Dad taught me to back up here. It's not metal, it's memories. Number 3. The classic square body, 73 to 87. Short bed, step side, V8. Your grandkids won't just want this, they'll need it. Why? In 2050, square bodies will be worth $50,000 to $80,000. You bought it for $5,000, maintained it, kept it garaged. Now, rolling retirement fund. But here's the beautiful part. He won't sell it. When he drives it, people stop him everywhere. Is that your truck? How much? That's a legend. Square bodies are hitting classic status now. In 30 years, museum pieces you can drive. He posts a photo, 10,000 likes. Your grandpa was a genius. He thinks of you every time he turns the key. That's not inheritance, that's immortality. 3 Silverados, 3 paths to legacy. The simple one, the workhorse, the investment. Your grandkids will treasure them more than you do. Which one do you own? Drop a comment. Are you building a legacy or just driving a truck? Subscribe. Your grandkids might thank you in 2050. Your truck, your legacy. Make it count.